Good morning, and today is Friday, the last trading day of this week, and also this week is the last trading day week of September. So let's see how it's played out. Yesterday we have a huge volume, right? All right, the bell did ring. And the market is open. Let's see. So today, if we first look at the 5-minute time frame. So it's continued to rally up, build on the momentum yesterday. So you have the London right here. That's basically the London. Excuse me. So the London take out the Asia high, and now it take out London high, and let's see make any retracement here before it continues to go up. So we see the retracement right there. So I saw something real quick in the 1 hour time frame. You can see this is a head and shoulder pattern. It's a very classic pattern right there for the reversal. You see head right here, the head and the shoulder. That's the one I want to point out right there. Right here. Right. This is the head, right? This is shoulder right there. So that's a very classical pattern for, reversal. In this case, reversal long, we go long. And one of the beauty about this setup, it happened on Wednesday, right? So we can see that it's a Wednesday, is a reversal day. For the week right there, but also you see that there a measure move before it start reversal. So you have two things right there, right? You have let's write out something right here. So you have head and shoulder pattern, right? And you have Wednesday weekly. You have Wednesday reversal. So it's a weekly profile, right? Yeah, you can say weekly profile. So have three confluent right here. No, four. One more right here. We have measure move, right? Pattern, right? Weekly profile, Wednesday reversal, and we have also monthly, right? we have open, high, low, and close. So we all play the last part right there, the low, right? And then if we close above the low, yeah, for monthly. In this case, it's end of September, right? Yes. So we have all 4 patterns that confluent right there. So give a very high probability right there. Oh man! Now put that into our brain and our subconscious. Next time we saw the pattern, we will jump all in. We'll take full advantage of the setup right there. Beautiful. Okay, now go back to the 1 minute. It can start slow, right? Because Friday, so Friday is one thing we learned great deal from yesterday, right? We have the right to idea, but when we execute, we do our entry, we kind of clumsy, right? Or you can say we kind of FOMO, we change, right? We thought we're gonna mix, so we change, and we got shake out, and then it go to the direction that we anticipate. So the practice for us from now on is that we're gonna identify the entry, then we put our stop limit just right there and wait for it to come and hit, so we don't have to change them, right? As long as we have a conviction that it's gonna go there, to retest before it go, then to put our entry right there, stop loss, stop the limit order right there if we want to go long right there. Yep. And then we stop loss just below that, and and let it go. That's it. I think that's the right approach right there. We have to plan ahead and put right there our order right there, so we don't chase them. If it's failed to go that low, then we accept it. Maybe a better opportunity will come for it later, because we believe that the market will provide us endless opportunities of easy trade and easy money. Why we have to chase? We have to work on that, our mindset right there. Because you see that a lot of people chase right here, right? Chase right here, they got shake out right there. So don't chase. Pick, spot. Pick out a spot with conviction, and then put the limit order right there. That's it. Yep, that's for the next few months from now until the end of the year this year. That's the thing that we're gonna focus working on. We just plan the trade just right there. So, do we see anything interesting? Any liquidity run? It look like it's gonna. Okay, if you see right here, right, it's market structure shape right there, and you see that market structure shape right there. So are this a market structure shift, or it's just a liquidity, sell side liquidity rated or sweep? That's the question we have in mind right there. And we see that the gap right here, and it fill out that gap right there. So right here we have 1, 2, 3. So it tried to rate the buy side liquidity 3 times in a row. And this pattern they call 3 push or 3 drive, or they call another word 3 little Indian something. They have a name for this pattern. But basically it tells you that it's climax, right? The another word is called overbought, right? It's climax. It reached the climax, the top. So we see any, yeah, you see the huge displacement paragraph right there, so it tell you right there. Let's see. So in order for it to be stay bearish, it should not break this high. And in order for it to stay bullish, you don't want it to break this low, right? This low. So we have a big move up right here after it's take the buy side, right? The same idea right here, right? If we say, okay, this is the low, that you don't want it to break. Or you treat this as a market structure shift, right? If shift here and go back, you short them, right? But then it reverse, go back right there. So our job, we have to identify when it's a market structure shift and when it's just the liquidity sweep right there. Yeah, so we don't want it to break down this level right here. Remember, we are in the final trading day of the week and also trading day of the month, so it's very very interesting to watch to see how the liquidity run. Right, look at this. So let's see. So it raised the buy side, the sell side one more time, but it did not take this level. See that? So we can see it's just the sell liquidity rated, not a market structure shift. That's what we see for now. Here's the monthly chart right there. This is September. It's basically the low right here. Then we play the retracement, the strategy we played, right, which is open and then high and low and close. So the close will be above the low. That's the reason why we see the pattern earlier for the Wednesday reversal and the open high, low, and close strategy right there. It perfectly on the last week of I mean on the final week of a month, final trading week of a month, and also last 2 days of the trading week, which is Thursday and Friday. So that's an idea right there. So that's one of strategy we're gonna play. We're gonna play on the Thursday and Friday of the last week of a month. That's give a very high property setup, which is it will be close above the low or close in case it's a down close month. But if for the up close month, then you know, for instance, up close month right here, right? Up close month here. For example, up close month here, you see we play that it will be close below the high. That's a very clear example right here. Here you don't have much, you know, it's close almost the same at the high, and here is there's some retracement right there. So this close below the high, and for this too, you see a really close wave above the low right there. So you can play in the retracement game right there. You can make a ton of money right there. Here you play on the open and then on the high. Sorry, this is the high. I mean, we want something perfect like this. Low, and then it retrace back for the down close candle. For up close candle, we want something like this. It's perfect for to play the game open, high, and low and close right there. The same right here. Yeah, this is also perfect example right there. Is close way above the low, so we can play in this retracement right there. We can capture that retracement move right there. Anyway, go back to the 1 minute chart. We see rate the sell slightly one more, and let's see if we trace from here. Okay, we can see that maybe this is the head and shoulder pattern right here also, right? Because you see this a symmetric, not a symmetric, but measure move right there, right? Boom, yeah, boom, right there. And you have an order block right here, right? We want is a fair value gap retest, yeah. And we see this a good order block right here. You have the gap right there. That's the reason why it haven't broke this order block yet. Wow, there's a huge explosive move up right there. Okay, right here I think is ICC calls rejection block. You see the rejection block right there, we mark right there, and then when it go into this block we can short them. So it's the rejection block right there. So if we do that, then let's see how much we reach. This 5 cents above here, 32 will be 37. Yeah, 6, 8, 7. So you reach 21 cents, and around this order block, right? Oh, that's a good deal right there. Reach 21 cents, and you get reward for $1.25. So it's almost 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio right there. Yeah. If we play into the rejection block, yeah, we reach 21 cents and we get $1.25. It's an easy trade right there. So right now it tells us it about to close, right? You see this you see this error. Basically we overlay the 1 hour candle on the 1 minute. So there's a 1 hour candle right there. We overlay that, and this is the close of, it's the open of the 1 hour candle at night, and it's closed at 10 right there. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, that's exactly what happened. You see right there. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that's the candle. And now I zoom to new candle at 10 right there. Right there. Yeah, it opened. This is 1 hour time frame overlay on 1 minute. and we look that it stay above the prior week low right there. If you look at the weekly, okay, here's the weekly candle, right? Weekly chart right there. Yesterday it's huge down here. It's down close, but now it turned green right there. You can see that. So basically, there are a lot of people jumping and buy it because, you know, if I have money and the way they run, you know, like hedge funds or that, I will buy it because you see, it dropped almost $28 and 6.22% from the last swing high right here. It dropped that much. That's the reason why a lot of people jumping and buy. That's the reason why also the volume yesterday is huge explosion, right? It's 100. Here's what the volume that we capture. Yesterday is 100 million share right there. 04 million share. You see. Whenever you see huge volume, then you know, some move is it making right there. It makes some move right there. Yeah, so that's the weekly candle I'm talking about. So September it start selling off, and now it's close above the low. Very interesting to see how it's gonna play out on next month, because October month onward, if you look in the history of your historical data, October is the month. If for a Dow close year, then October is gonna be a reversal month, right? If you look at right here, October, you see the October? Yeah, it's a reversal month right there on 2022. It reverse, and then it start go up from there. Start October last year, it reversed. You see all the bottom move for 2022. You see the year start right here, 22, and then October is reversed, and it closed above the low. So that's the trade idea that we're gonna play. We play when it do a reverse, a week, a month, or a year, or at the last week of a month, right, or the last quarter of a year right there, or last month of a year, it doesn't matter. See, it's December, right? So October is very critical in the historical data. It saw something like that. October, or March, you see the setup. If it's high on the top, then it's short the setup to sell right there. March, and then June right here. I think August, yeah, August. August, sell right there. And this time around is the same. Like July, yeah, August right here. For short right there, August. Yeah, August for short. Yes. Because Yeah. Normally on the summer it's rally right from June to August, then it sell off. And here we have a long rally from March all the way to July right there. And then sell off. So that means this rejection block still valid, or this order block is still valid right there. So order block fatal gap pretest right there. So this sort of the short setup still play now right there. So whenever we see a huge rejection block right here, give us some idea right there. Let do backlog this tray so we could put into our subconscious mind or memory for that matter. Right. Let's move that to the right. Right. On way. Okay, so we're gonna say, wow, exactly right here when 9:30. This is the new setup, but that's where we want to document it. I mean, in the sense, because we call it rejection blocks, but if you call this order block, then it's still the same setup that we play. So basically, we call order block or rejection block, right? I mean, R stands for rejection block. I mean, you have a rejection block right here and you have order block right here. This is both right there. Yeah, so slash rejection block. Let's start with rejection block, and then you have order block. Yeah, and then fair value gap. How about that? Well, confluence of three, and then the retouch right there is a short right there. you can have short setup right here. Exactly. Stop loss % above the rejection block, right? And the target is around the bullish order block right there. So basically right here we have rejection block, and right here we have order block, right? Yeah, that's the target right here. Yep. And you have a 23 to $1.26 reachable ratio. Is almost 1 to 6 or 1 to 5 reachable ratio right there. So we can both sides, right? We go short right here. No, not both sides. I mean short right here. And here to retest, give another time to short right there. Because we see that we forgot right here. The 3 push 1, 2, 3 right there. Right? 3 little Indian, they are not named for that. Yeah, if you read the book Strict Marks by Larry Connors and Linda Rasky, that is talking about the 3 little Indian right there. I think let's see what page. So basically right now the sort still play out right here. So it's auto block, retest, it still play out. Let's see if it hold at this bullish auto block or it's gonna break this to the downside. Right, you can treat this as a bullish auto block right here. So you have both the short setup and the long setup play at the same time. Okay, if you look at the liquidity run yesterday, right, you see this auto block and then you have another auto block right here and then a huge explosive move up and then the retest right there. Right, that's the idea how the liquidity run. But let's see, this time a little bit different. We want another block, auto block right here. Oh, you have auto block right here and another block right there. Okay, so let's see if this hold. I mean, we anticipate it's gonna coming down. You know why? Because we look at this is the 1 hour time frame, right? Wow, you see that? Let's see, do we see it here? So basically it retests this order block right here, right? You see this order block and then a huge, further gap displacement. Retest again and go down, and now retest to that order block right there. But let's take a look at a 4 hour time frame. We can see something right here. Okay, here's the 4 hour time frame. So you see it's go up right here, 3 candle up close in the row, and it run into this this bearish order block right here. You see that right there? Okay, let's put the block right there. And let make it just a little bit lighter because we don't want it too dark, it's hard to see. So we use transparency to control that lightness. Okay, so you see that, and we want this candle, in order to it to continue to go up, we want this candle to open below the close of this one in order to have a momentum to push up. But it opened above the close. You see that? And then it make a lower high. So that means the momentum to go up is exhausted. And if you look at the at the 1 minute, we saw the exhaustion right there. That's called climax. Climax, which is top. You read the top 1, 2, 3 right there. Yep. So we can see that the short is in play. You see, beautiful, and it gives you the retest right here. Okay, so yeah, we already and this is play into our setup, which we mentioned before, right? Remember that we put in here the rejection block, order block, photograph, right? Which is, but we need to add a little bit more detail, give an idea. You see that rejection, order block, and retest. We can go in a retest also in this case, and we need to mention that three 3 Indian, which is the climax pattern. Yeah, I think it have a confluence like you know, if you read the book Strict Smart, by I think Scott Lawrence. Yeah. Lawrence Connor and Linder Preface Rusky. Yeah, I think they did mention yeah, they did mention about the so-called 3 little Indian, or sometimes people call it 3 push or drive, for that matter. Some other authors they call that. That's the pattern we see right here. So this pattern tells us is you know, the momentum right, it's momentum trade is reaching the climax. In this case is can be a top or bottom, but for our this morning trade it reached the top. So basically the top right here. Then we can safely go and short them because it's very high quality right there. Right, so you see it break this order block. So let me see. Let's see. I think it may go break and take the sell side this level. Let's see. So we need to put something in here to make it more sand right here. Yeah, and this pattern is part of so-called wave. I think it's discovered by the guy named Wolf, right? LF Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie wave. That's an idea right there. You can check it out. And I read the book and I saw this pattern, and I read the other book also say about that. way number one, number two. Yeah, take a look at this book. They present a lot of short-term trade pattern, which is play into the ICT concept and the DR model. So we try to incorporate the knowledge, the pattern that we've learned from this book into our day trade strategy right there. Yeah, let's take a screenshot of this one, so we will be put into our brain, our subconscious mind. Then next time it will become automatic for us. So I think 3 little Indian or some kind of 3 pushes, right? So this one is indicate the climax top, and vice versa, it will indicate the the bottom. Basically, the momentum reach the reversal point right there. See that? And you have a rejection block right there. Yep. And then we plus with a ICT concept called rejection block, right? That gives you a high confluence right there. Yep. So if we mix the first entry, then patiently, wait for the entry at the retest. Okay. Which is in this case is right here. Okay. Yep. All right, I think time's up. Let's wrap it up here for this Friday, last trading day of this week and last trading of September. So far we have a wonderful September and wonderful week this week. And have a nice weekend. Thank you and talk to you later. Bye for now.